In this little video, I'm going to show you how to use one of the features in the new Photoshop Generative Fill. I'm doing this on my MacBook Pro. I'm going to take this horizontal picture of key lime pie and convert it into this vertical photograph, including more of the key limes at the top and more of the background at the bottom. To start, you need to enable both Photoshop Beta and Bridge Beta. Select the Creative Cloud icon at the top of your screen, and on the left, scroll down to Beta Apps. Here you'll see all of the beta apps available. I've already enabled Photoshop Beta and Bridge Beta, but if they hadn't been, they would be included in the longer list, and I would select Install. Once installed, both Photoshop Beta and Bridge Beta will be installed in addition to the regular Photoshop and Bridge. The beta versions are included in the Launchpad on your dock. I've opened the horizontal picture of the key lime pie in Photoshop Beta. Notice that there's a generative toolbar that appears below the photograph. I can drag the toolbar wherever I want. To fix the position, drag the bar wherever you want and select the 3 horizontal dots on the right and then check Pin Bar Position. Now, to add the additional information at the top and bottom of the horizontal picture, select the Crop tool with the desired dimensions. I'm using 1200 by 1600 pixels. Then drag the Crop tool to the desired position. Don't worry about the added white space at the top and bottom. In a minute I'll use the Generative Fill to get rid of the white space. Once you're satisfied with the crop, select the check mark at the top. Now select the rectangular marquee tool in the dock and drag it to and close the white space at the top of the photograph, slightly extending it into the photograph. Then select the Generative Fill in the toolbar and then Generate. Voila! The top of the photograph has been generatively filled. Over on the right in the Properties panel there are 3 different variations. You can either select the variation that you like or generate again for additional variations. I think this is the variation that I like. Now to do the same thing at the bottom of the photograph, select the background layer and enclose the white area at the bottom using the rectangular marquee tool. Select Generative Fill in the Generative toolbar and then Generate. This looks pretty good. Once you're satisfied with the changes, flatten the image using Layers, Flatten Image, and you're ready to add any additional edits. I hope that this little video has given you a feel for how you might use the new Generative Photoshop.